I can actually hear the crickets.
Mhm.
Cat appreciates it. It's like proper cat. Meanwhile, Gremlin's just
Gremlin's
going
losing
insane.
his shit.
It's like Gremlin is high on something.
He's getting contact high.
This guy, he's trying to offer me a nickel to get out of his cage.
Yes, he is.
This guy's just a crackhead.
Peabody! You taking those words?
And this is proper cat, smart cat.
Mhm.
And this is high Gremlin, high as hell.
He's playing. He's a
Hi.
baby. He's a kitten.
Baby beans.
Baby beans.
Let's do proper cat. This freaking appreciates it like, thanks. No, I'm not gonna let you out. And plus, a nickel is nothing. He's so talkative.
He really is.
Is he talking to his cellmate?
Uh-oh.
Why did you sneeze? Now you have corona. Can't cats actually get corona?
They can.
Oh, why not dogs?
No. Gremlin.
Is that why it's more dangerous for cats to be outside, because they can also catch corona?
Mhm.
Baby beans.
Baby beans.
Oh no, kitty. You're too
Oh,
clever.
Matt's like, wait, Danny's getting out.
Not anymore. Shut up.
Oh, next Tuesday he gets microchipped, then we can let him out if he wants to go out and stick around.
Oh, so basically, is microchipping a cat just just putting a GPS tracker on your cat?
It's not a GPS.
You can just.
It's considered inert. It doesn't do anything, but it will give up a number if it's scanned by a scanner.
So if we lose him,
So if somebody takes him to like a vet or a shelter and they scan him, the number pops up. They put the number into like a database and on the internet, and the rescue will pop up. Because he'll be under the rescue.
and then they'll just send them to their owner.
Well, they'll call me and say, "We got your kid."
We got your cat. For some reason, got out.
Mhm.
Gremlin, what are you high on?
It's all the smoke. It's all the smoke.
Just the way he's playing, it's like he's high on something.
Mhm. Give that cat a tranquilizer.
All right, I am gonna show you all the cats. So this is Gremlin, the high one. Oh, not acting high, just playing like a high person. This is Danny, the proper cat, fancy like. This is Matt.
He's in jail.
Yeah, he's in jail.
According to him.
And this is Peabody. He's a crackhead.
He's not a crackhead.
Just his eye. He looks like a crackhead.
Peabody, he lying on you.
Crackhead. He's just like, bro. Proper cat. Oh, is that good? Oh,